Endangered giant pandas at the Baifengsha panda base survived the 7.0 magnitude earthquake in China's Sichuan province. Despite only being 50 kilometers from the earthquake's epicenter, all 62 pandas made it through the disaster unharmed, as did all the nearly 100 staff members. The staff at the reserve said some of the bears were terrified and climbed high into the trees and would not come down. On site, research buildings have sustained some damage in the quake, but the centre has stockpiled around a month's worth of food and water supplies for the pandas.